In this video, I'll guide you through the process of preparing the electrochemical cell sample holder by Nanosurf. First, I'll demonstrate how to mount a sample. For samples smaller than 20 mm in diameter, consider using a substrate plate. Flip the sample holder to access the cover plate on the back. Unscrew all 4 screws holding the cover plate using a Torx 8 key. Keep the screws and washers aside for now. Carefully separate the cover plate from the holder. Place an 18 by 1 mm O-ring into the grooves of the plastic inset. The metal leaf spring used for electrical sample contact should not exceed the inside of the O-ring. Place the sample above the O-ring and ensure that the conductive side of the sample is in contact with the leaf spring. Carefully place the cover plate back on top of the sample and add the 4 washers. Tighten the 4 screws to hold the cover plate. Apply just a slight torque to avoid damaging the sample. Turn the EC cell again. The holder is now ready to mount the electrodes. Next, I'll show you how to mount wire electrodes, usually used as a counter electrode, a silver wire as part of the package. Loosen the screw of one of the 2 slots. Place the counter electrode into the slot. The wire should form a loop inside the chamber. Close the slot holding the counter electrode by tightening the screw. Finally, mount a reference electrode. When using the holder for the first time, it's necessary to extend the hole of the PEEK or PVDF inset to fit the electrode. Loosen the screws of the outer and inner access ports. Remove the cover plate, the white sphere, and the O-ring of the inner access port. Insert the electrode into the feed-through, mount the cover plate and an O-ring on the electrode. An O-ring for 2 mm reference electrodes is included in the package. Unused ports must be sealed using the white sphere. Gently tighten the screws of the inner and outer ports to hold the reference electrode in place. The electrochemical cell sample holder is now ready to use.